Morning, Mr. Watson here. We're going to do a diode lab today using the DCACLAB website. So in Canvas, first thing you got to do, make sure you get your starter quiz done. Here's the strands that we're dealing with today. This is knowing electronic parts. Here's the particular part, a diode. There's what a diode looks like and its schematic symbol. And now in the assignment, first thing is look in the assignment. You'll look for where it says click here, DCACLAB website link. You want to click on that to transfer to the DCACLAB. Once you're at DCACLAB, click on try for free. Should come up looking like this. Once you have that, first thing you need to do is bring in the parts you need for today. Here's the parts: a battery, an on-off switch, 2 diodes, a lamp, and a multimeter. Once you bring those parts in, you're ready to get started with it. First thing you do, on the multimeter, set it to the X100 ohm setting. Then you want to connect it up to a diode like this. Get a reading for it hooked up one way. Once you got that done, you recorded your reading, then you need to switch the meter leads. So here's an example. It's set on the left. It shows the red hooked to the stripe side of the diode and the black hooked to the other end. And on the right, those 2 leads were reversed. Now you want to reverse it and get the meter readings for the part reversed. And then you want to do the same thing to the second diode. Hook it up, get its readings, reverse the meter leads, and get the reading again. Now you're ready to move on. Set the meter to 3 volts DC. And now you want to connect up the parts like this. So you have the switch along the bottom. You have along the top, you'll have the battery, one of the 2 diodes. The second one's not going to be hooked up today, currently, and the lamp. Then you wire it together like this. Make sure you have the switch turned on, and place the multimeter up along the diode and get a voltage reading on the diode. And then you want to switch the meter leads, just like you did when you were getting the resistance readings, and get the voltage reading again. Once you got the meter leads reversed and got reading for both ways, then you need to set the multimeter to 12 volts AC and get an AC voltage reading for it. And then once again, switch the meter leads around and get that voltage reading a second time. Now you're ready to modify the circuit you built and bring in the second diode. And here's an example of how it's hooked up. So a little bit of changes on the wiring. The stuff along the top did not change. And it said you disconnected the wire that was hooked from the positive lead of the battery to the on-off switch, and you stick the diode in the middle of that. You also moved the meter leads this time. It said so they're across the lamp and not across a diode. And you want to get your AC voltage reading across the lamp. Then you want to switch it to DC and get your DC reading across the lamp. And make sure you record all those measurements down. That's essentially all of it for today. Have a great day.